Progress means challenging your limits. The thing that I love most about snowboarding is that there's a little challenge every day. There's something to learn every day. I never thought doing a triple as the first woman breaking a new limit or going over a limit. It makes me stronger if I don't think there is one. Like, my mind is already what's next? What is the next new thing I can do? So my story about how I became a snowboarder started really late. I started with 18, a totally new sport. It was passion from first sight. I think without passion, I wouldn't be where I am right now. I was looking for something I loved, and the first time I strapped into my binding, I knew that was something my heart was beating for. It feels amazing to live the dream now. Not just for the medals, or it's not just for the prizes. I hope I present the sport well. Like, that's one of my main goals, to hopefully inspire younger girls. I'm trying to show them my whole story. Like, I'm trying to be authentic, because it's not always just ups, it's downs sometimes too. It's like being able to live with failures, to get back up when you fall. If you want to stay on the top of the game, you have to progress, and you have to be a better version of yourself every day. I think progress is a really big part of my sport, a really big part of myself. One thing that made me be where I am today is being super spontaneous and being really open-minded to all the chances I got. Maybe taking some risk at some points. I had a lot of people that doubted me, but when you know what you want and you do something you love, you're always winning. I hope I'm like part of the girls that lead the sport for many more years to come. What's your story of progress?